Have you ever wondered how to study real analysis effectively? It's a question that might have crossed your mind, especially if you're delving into this intriguing yet challenging branch of mathematics. Real analysis, which deals with real numbers and real valued functions, can seem daunting at first, but with a bit of strategy and discipline, anyone can master it. Firstly, understanding the nature of real analysis is crucial. It's a field that revolves around the concepts of calculus, including limits, continuity, and differentiability. But it delves deeper, laying the rigorous theoretical foundation for these concepts, and more. The first step in studying real analysis effectively is to familiarize yourself with the basics. This includes the understanding of mathematical proofs, set theory, and the language of mathematics. Brushing up on these basics equips you with the necessary tools to approach real analysis. Next, it's important to understand the structure of real numbers. This involves knowing the properties of real numbers, the concept of sequences and series, and the definition of limits. Grasping these concepts gives you a solid foundation to understand more complex ideas in real analysis. The third step involves diving into the core topics of real analysis. This includes limits of functions, continuity, differentiability, and integration. Each of these topics is a world in itself and demands careful study and understanding. A key strategy to studying real analysis is to read actively. This means you're not just passively reading the textbook, but actively engaging with the material. Try to understand the proofs, work through the examples, and solve the exercises. This active engagement helps to solidify your understanding. Another crucial element is practice. Real analysis is not a subject that can be mastered by rote learning. It requires consistent practice and problem solving. Tackling a variety of problems helps you to understand the concepts from different angles and deepens your understanding. Now, studying real analysis can seem overwhelming, but remember to pace yourself. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Take time to understand each concept thoroughly before moving on to the next. And don't be afraid to revisit earlier concepts if you're struggling with newer ones. Lastly, don't study in isolation. Engage with others who are studying the same material. Discussing ideas and solving problems together can often lead to better understanding and insight. To sum up, studying real analysis effectively involves understanding the basics, knowing the structure of real numbers, delving into core topics, reading actively, consistent practice, pacing yourself, and engaging with others. It's a challenging journey, but with the right approach and dedication, it's certainly a rewarding one. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your journey towards mastering real analysis starts today. So, embrace the challenge, enjoy the journey, and keep learning.